Hello guys, today I've got JBL Endurance Peak 4 and I'm going to show you how to call Siri on your iPhone. As you can see here, we've got our headphones and our iPhone. And every single customized gesture, it's the same process. You need to take out one earbud that has it assigned. I think both have. Both have. And you need to just tap and hold this touch area. Once your headphones are actually, of course, connected with your phone. And I think, okay, now we've got Siri. As you can see, it worked. That's it. Goodbye.